Hello everyone. Finally, I'm back with my another video. Last video we have seen how can we Dockerize our Node.js application. Or in this video, we will see how can we deploy or upload our Docker image to our Docker Hub. So without wasting any time, let's move to our video. For this, we have to go to dockerhub.com and we have to log in onto our account. After that, we need to create a new repo, just name as Docker app, no description, and making it as a public. Now we have created a repo in a Docker Hub. Our next step would be logging a Docker in our command line, then Docker login command. Yeah, as I have active session on my Docker, my login succeeded. But in your time, it may ask a username or password. You have to enter and it will be a login. Now, our next step would be creating a Docker image with our repo name. As you can see, our repo name is Abhay Misra 1205 Docker Node App. Just copy it. We have to make our new image Docker build hyphen t. Give the name and our Docker file present in a root directory. So dot. It will create a Docker image with having this name. Yeah, our image has been created. Now we have to push Docker push the image name. It's started preparing. So it may take time and it depend upon the internet speed and so just wait for the
A few moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds later, 3 days later, 3 weeks later, many months later, 6.5 hours later, 1 eternity later, 2,000 years later.
yeah. Finally, after time, we have uploaded our Docker image to our Docker Hub. So yeah, this was from my video, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.